In this video, I'll show you how to add a question to your WhatsApp status. First, I want to show you an example of my own status, where I ask the question, "Is Goku the strongest in Dragon Ball Super?" This is how the question appears to other users, and they can interact with it directly by responding. Now let's see how to create a status like this. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you are using the latest version, because this feature may not be available in older versions. Once WhatsApp is open, tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on Add Status. Next, choose a photo from your phone's gallery or take a new picture using the camera. After selecting or capturing the image, look for the icon that I highlighted in the video. When you tap on this icon, you will see the question option. Tap on it to continue. If you don't see the question option, it usually means that your WhatsApp version is outdated or that the feature is not yet available in your region. In that case, try updating the app or wait for the feature to roll out. In the Ask a Question field, type the question you want to share with your contacts. Once your status is published, anyone who sees it will be able to respond by tapping the Respond button. This makes your status interactive and allows others to easily share their opinions or answers directly with you. After adding your question, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. Then share the status as you normally would. At the end, you can see my published status with the question displayed and ready for responses. That's it. This is a simple and fun way to engage with your contacts using WhatsApp status. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.